Yep, the Hellcat's fucked. Doesn't start. So we're gonna have to have this tow truck get it. Real fun. Don't modify your cars, you ain't ready to fuck it up. Okay.
I'm right here, baby. What are you talking about?
So I went to the dealership, I went and got a new battery. And then I went and got a camshaft sensor, replaced both of those. I was gonna do the crank sensor, but I was like, let me just wait. Because if it was neither of those, the symptoms it was giving, like, so what happened was I started, thank God this happened like 4 houses down from when I left the house. I started the car. It sounded real weird when it started, like it was like, but I was like, you know what, it's tuned on E85. I heard they have harder starts, so I thought it was that. Went down the street, it bogged down to where like it was jerking like this, and I was like, yo, what the hell? And then the car pretty much died on me. So at that point, like, I was stuck down the street. Thank God my neighbors were nice enough, they helped me. They pushed the car up to my house. Like I said, I changed the battery because look what fucking battery is in here. It was a Ford battery in a Dodge. So I was like, yeah, that's gotta go. Changed the camshaft sensor, like I said, that didn't fix it. Called the shop, Gearhead. Got it towed over there, and they figured it out. So I knew it was fuel related. I really didn't want to mess with nothing. I probably could have figured it out myself, but I was just like, you know what? Let them handle it, because I just got the car done 10 days ago. So thank God it was something so simple, because you know when you mod your car and then something goes wrong, you're like, yep, I screwed up. You start wishing you had your car stock, but no, definitely not. Nobody likes a stock car. So that's pretty much what happened there. Stay tuned, because we got some stuff coming up here. I don't know if you can tell, but a lot of stuff has changed with the bike, but I got a couple more things coming. So within an hour, we back in business, baby. So I guess the fuel pump, one of the lines, the C-clip broke, or it just was loose. So the engine wasn't getting any fuel pressure. So hey, here's what it is. We're back in business. Thank God it was something easy. All I had to pay for was the tow. They replaced the clip. Well, motherfucker sounds good.